What we have here is the new Blink XT2 indoor-outdoor wire-free camera. This actually runs on batteries, and I was able to pick this up at a local Best Buy here. It was just released today, so I wanted to kind of go through a little unboxing and kind of walk through some of the features and kind of what's included with the camera. So first up, if we do a little bit of the unboxing, looks like it comes with the actual XT2 camera itself. I was not an owner of the previous XT camera, so can't really tell if anything's changed in size from pictures that I've seen. This looks very similar in dimensions, but I can't say for sure as I wasn't a previous owner. We also have, looks like an instruction guide. We have a sticker that you can place on the door. It also comes, or this one camera kit comes with the sync module from Blink. Runs off of a USB cable, USB power cable. And then this is what it's actually going to connect to your camera. And then this will join your wireless network for you to be able to view videos and record videos. Looks like we also have a couple of mounting options that can be used for this. Kind of a swivel design, which is nice, and then you can position the camera. There's a USB charging cable and then USB power adapter. Again, mounting options. And if we look, it looks like this actually comes with two AA batteries that are required for the camera itself. So Ring, take notice, this does come with batteries. So if we kind of talk about the difference between the XT and the XT2, it looks like this one actually supports double the battery life. So on those two AA batteries, you're going to get roughly 80,000 seconds of recorded footage compared to the 40,000 of the original XT. And again, that runs on just regular AA batteries, which is kind of cool, definitely for that range of video recording. This also has better customizable motion detection. So from kind of what I read, you can actually set up activity zones for it to record instead of just having the whole frame set off for recording. And lastly, it looks like you can also do two-way audio. So on the device itself, it has a microphone and speaker that you can then talk through for it. So lastly, just to kind of compare this, what I can kind of show you that I have currently is a Arlo Ultra, and then also a Wise Cam. So if we kind of put these two together, just to kind of see, what this potentially looks like, and just kind of compare. Again, the Arlo Ultra will record 4K. The Blink 180, or sorry, the Blink XT2. It's not Blink 182. It's not a band. The Blink will record in 1080p. So that's kind of a difference between these two. But you can definitely see that the Blink camera itself is dramatically smaller. And the other thing is just kind of looking at it from a Wise Cam perspective. Again, this is an outdoor camera, and it needs to be plugged in for recording, but just to kind of give you a sense of the size of the devices here. So now, having unboxed this, I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Like I said, I have never used this actual camera system before, so it'll be kind of a different experience for me to set up and just kind of walk through some of my thoughts. I'll write up and post on That's Not Funny.